Last time on Madcat Sailing, we certainly enjoyed Dunkirk. Now it's time to head home. For us this week, it goes very, very smooth. Mate, there's no wind. It's driving me mad. Got a hell of a long way to go yet, and I wish I got the long range petrol tanks as well. I've ended up on the little outboard trying to use a little bit less. Gutted. Absolutely gutted. Just give me some wind. Wind, please. A little bit coming, but not enough. As soon as I turn that engine off, it'll stop. Guarantee it. That's what you get from it, nice weather. The crossing were a lot more to Dunkirk. Hey ho. If not, I'm rowing back once the fuel stops. Dope. For it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. There it is. Look at that, Davey. Dolphins. We're expecting that on the trip home. Wilson! Oh no. Crafting a lot. Oh, what man. This is horrible. Spend hours here, the amount of rubbish that's in the sea. There's loads. And then this is just what I've just pulled out now. It looks like an old lobster pot. And, yeah. Earlier I found a balloon. Ooh, a balloon. Yeah, I'm struggling for fuel, really. I'd do my bit, but I'm afraid I can't. I'll end up becoming a bit stuck otherwise. Yeah, I've got 110 fuel. I'm not far off land now, so heading to Ramsgate, refuel and carry on up north. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. You hear it a lot at the minute on the news about plastics in the ocean, and when you see it, yeah, now the sea's that calm as well. It's like glass to look at the sea at the minute. Hey, we've got wind! Woo! Wind! 2.9 miles an hour. Yes, yes. That's through the water. Kept the motor running just in case. Look at that. Sails are up. Sails are up. Sails are open. Get in. Davey, living dangerously. What do you reckon? Should we go through there? Should we go? Should we go? Well, Davey, that's another fine mess you got us into there. I would say follow us next time, but I don't know what's happening. Is there a next time? Who knows? Keep watching, guys. Wait and see. Before you go, guys, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Things can only get better.
The writing's on the wall. We fell and now